In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ripple for our bearish divergence and potential double top pot scenario that is getting performed right now. Here, we will be exactly talking about the most critical resistance that is valid almost about 2 years for Ripple. And also I will be go over RSI and historically speaking what was happened for Ripple before in this situation, and of course what is the next movement of the Ripple price target, and we will go over our symmetrical triangle and much more. So don't forget to slap that like button, because in the last update video about Ripple price prediction we had discussed and placed short position on Ripple together, and I'm happy for that trade. If you missed that, just continue watching this video to the end, because we are going to be talking about so interesting next movement of the Ripple price. But before that, let me say hi to the community. Hello everybody and welcome to your channel Crypto News Today, where we mainly share our daily analysis on crypto to find best crypto that are basically good in their technical analysis and are so willing and ready to pump, and also Bitcoin price prediction. So if you are crazy about trading cryptocurrency like us, you subscribe to us to get daily opportunity and most recent relevant price prediction around the cryptocurrency world as well. So let's back to the content and jump quickly to the chart by looking at the daily time frame chart of Ripple. As you can see, Ripple is trading between these two support and resistance lines that is basically symmetrical triangle, and we always place short position at the top and the open position on the floor. But this is not the place that I actually think to place long position in this case, because basically by zooming out you can see Ripple is trading below this critical resistance line for almost about 2 years, and it was hit to this level of resistance multiple times. Actually there is 1 2 3 more than 5 attempt was failed. So our first confirmation that we need to say Ripple become bullish is to break this critical resistance and make a closed daily LED candle above it. And by looking its chart in nearer picture, we can also clearly see it had performed a double top pattern here while with lower high. So this structure is some kind of bearish harmony pattern that is not good at all for the price. So we can expect to see major trend to be downward based on price action, and there's a several example of this double top scenario. One is here that we saw major drop to the price. So there's two scenario here for price. The one is Ripple price try to hit the resistance lines again, that I think it could be the another shorting level for Ripple, and drop after that, or drop suddenly from this support line after basically some constellation. So this is one confirmation that why we have to be cautious about breaking down, because unlikely breaking downward is so likely, and placing long order below this symmetrical triangle I think is risky. It's true that we said we always put long position below the support line in basically symmetrical triangle, but I won't really like to do it in this case, because we are actually at the top of the historical resistance of Ripple, and also we can see harmonic pattern to the price action. So if you are Ripple holder, you have to be cautious, because we are going to see big movements soon from Ripple. And before I go through the RSI, let me quickly tell you that if you're interested to trade our trade automatically, you can just go to the public channel, text an admin to be in our VIP signal channel. I will link it below and you can see it from here. Furthermore, looking at daily RSI indicator, so you can see RSI is losing its strength, and historical once before that RSI was like this structure. It's like a head and shoulder was here, but it's not good to say that. As you can see, after this this head and shoulder, we saw a sharp drop. This is a major scenario that I actually think could happen if Ripple could not be able to break through its critical resistance. But being able for Ripple to break this resistance area, that I think is so unlikely, but impossible is possible, and it could be happen. And if it could be able to make one daily close LED candle above the resistance area, so that's the place that is absolutely major long position opportunity. And of course it could be a certain long time bull run, and of course you will be one that aware from this crypto channel, but the main pressure, as we told, is still from downward, and we will wait one of the lines breakout. So I try to ride that trade. This was our prediction for Ripple today. So thanks for watching. See you.